Bring him from the yard. Arr.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Down the Diecast Pirate, and today I have for you What's in the Case, Episode 5. So I still had this on the turntable from the end of the last video, and I figured, hey, why not start here? This is one car that I just got with a bunch of cars the other day. And I just figured, man, it's a nice, pretty piece to have up on the turntable. So continuing on where we left off last time, this would be the other 12 cars that I have in that one case up on the wall. So to start with, I have a Stutz. And this one looks like no play wear, a little bit of scratching on the roof and on the hood, a little, just a little bit. So we'll get that on the turntable for you. And then I'm going to start with the Fairmont. And I should have looked these wheels up, these gold center hubs. I know what these are called. It looks like somebody sanded these wheels to make them look more like race-worn tires. This is the front-running Fairmont. And it does, have play wear and everything. So there's that. And then there's this one I bought from the same person as those Woodies and from the last video. And this is an upfront. I don't remember what kind of car this is supposed to be. Jim Silva just did a custom on one of these where he painted the taillights, and he was talking about wanting to learn how to make decals to put in for things like that. But this was a replacement for the one that I had in my childhood collection, and no play wear, a little bit of scuffing on the tampos, but that may have come like that. And then we have a couple of Mustangs. So this one, when I was a kid, I had one exactly like this color. This one has no play wear. The paint is practically perfect, and the hood feels like it hasn't barely been opened much. It starts binding right there. But really just a beautiful car, that is. And then the one that I got with it, and I forget where I bought these from. I got them reacquired these within the last 6 months or so, and I forget if it was an eBay auction or Mercari. But again, no play wear on this one. This, the sparkly blue paint on it. I bought this for this one, but there's a bonus to get this. And now I have a few others that are very something, same car, different colors. Now, next, this is a no play wear. This may be one that I bought on a cut card. I don't remember. I did have one exactly like this, brand new, when I was a kid, and this was like right after Knight Rider came out, and a few years after. And I wanted a black one, but they didn't have the black 80s Firebird. And when I bought this, I bought it at Kmart there in Bryan, Ohio. Looks like a little bit of scuffing on the passenger door, but that's it. And I remember that day. And if I remember correctly, it was a Friday night. So then I wanted a black one, so I got the black one too. Looks like the tires are really not showing play wear, but there is scuffing around the edges and the whatnot. The window's scratched. I don't know that I would ever do anything with that as far as restoration or anything. But then I have another red one. Again, no playwear, looks brand new. And then there's a chip, a paint chip gone on the back, and a little bit of scuffing on the tampo on the front. Interestingly, I guess it makes sense. I was always curious about that. They did not put the tampos on the black one because it's already black. So we'll get that up there. And then we have a Fox body Mustang, which has playwear. This would be a 79, I believe. It's copyright 1979, so this would be a 79 Mustang, which I believe is the first year after the Mustang 2. First year of the Fox body. And it has that like electric lightning tampo on it, and then they, you know, has a bunch of paint chips and whatnot, but I always wanted one of those. So there's that. And then these next two, again, came from the same person as this car and those other vehicles, including that the VW bus. So we have speedy snow removal, snow, dirt, and sand, and no playwear, was only stored in display. So there's that one. And then I have the midnight removal. And this one is practically perfect. There is some stress marks in the plastic. But again, no playwear, and just, you know, practically perfect. And the tampos, it looks like there was an error in the tampos when they were installed, but other than that, it's just a very nice piece. A little bit dusty inside, but you know, I guess that's to be expected from something that's only displayed. And last, I don't remember if I ever had this car when I was a kid, but I wanted it. It's an AMC Gremlin. The greased Gremlin. And this one is, it has some chipping on the rear bumper, light scratch on the wing, but no playwear. Just very nice. So there's that. That's going to be it for this one, guys. I just wanted to show you in the last video and this video some of the best black walls that I have. Some not in as good a condition, but, you know, really nice cars. So don't forget, I am on Instagram. Go over there, follow me. I post pictures of my completed builds, beauty shots, and you can take a look at those. And also, I have a Patreon now, so if you want to support the channel, go over there and check that out. I post pictures of works in progress and builds that are going to be coming up. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button for me. I really appreciate seeing all your likes and your wonderful, wonderful comments down below. Ring that bell for notifications. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.